Hi, this is Anil. I was fortunate to be the All India Rank 1 holder in RBI exam back in 2018. Now, I'm absolutely thrilled to be part of Olive Board as a super mentor for their RBI Grade B programs. If you are aspiring to crack this exam in 2024, I will be available as a super mentor to discuss one-on-one with you, share strategy lessons, draw lessons from my preparation and set you up for success. Click the link below to check out the details. See you on Olive Board soon.
Hi guys, welcome to Olive Board. Welcome to the session of SEBI circulars. My name is Lakshmi and let's start with the circular. Very recently this circular was there on the SEBI's website which was talking about a certification. So this certification requirement is typically for the managers who are having this alternate investment fund under them. So when I say alternate investment fund, तो पहले हम ये देख लेते हैं what are these funds all about. So your alternate investment fund, or in short AIF, they are what you call it as pooling your money. So बहुत सारे investors in your alternate investment fund, as per the SEBI recent circular, it is being said 1,000 investors, not more than 1,000 investors must be there. So almost 1,000 investors, they come together and then they pool their money. And then the money that is being pooled is further utilized for some other asset creation. That's what is typically the meaning of your alternate investment fund. You might be thinking, कि अगर हम pool money को pool करने की बात करें तो this is somewhat similar to your mutual fund. क्योंकि mutual fund में भी तो you after all pool your money. Then what is the difference? Let's see first कि difference क्या है. सबसे पहला difference है mutual fund और alternate investment fund में the type of investment that is being done. म्यूचुअल फंड में जनरली रिटेल इन्वेस्टर ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो इन्वेस्टमेंट का अमाउंट है, अगर एसआईपी हो रहा है, इन द केस ऑफ एसआईपी इट कैन गो टू एज लो एज ₹100 पर एसआईपी, एट मैक्स ₹500 तक द एसआईपी इज अलाउड. बट व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट लमसम, अगर लमसम भी करो तो भी इट रेंजेस बिटवीन 1,000 to 5,000. सो टिपिकली ये छोटा अमाउंट है. बट जब हम ऑल्टरनेट इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड की बात करते हैं, ओवर हियर द मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट is of ₹1 crore. By this we can actually notice that it is talking about high net worth individual. So यहाँ पे जो individuals की net worth होती है, it is very high. Therefore we call them as sophisticated investors. That's what is the difference, prime difference between mutual fund and angel investors, alternate investment fund. The other thing is, yes, in both the things the pooling of funds is there. Both are regulated by your SEBI regulations, SEBI Mutual Fund Regulations of 1996, then SEBI Alternate Investment Fund Regulations of 2002. Now there are multiple types of mutual fund as well as alternate investment fund. Mutual funds, it can be your equity funds, your debt schemes, your hybrid schemes where there is both equity as well as debt. Other schemes can also be there, index funds are there, there are multiple schemes. When I talk about alternate investment fund, it has 3 categories. Let's see what are these 3 categories. वैसे तो you might have gone through all these categorization while you were covering your static portion of finance, but then let's revise it once. When I say category 1, in category 1, the investment is done in the startups, in the small and marginal enterprises, in small and medium enterprises which are actually very small. They are basically startups only, what you can say. These projects are socially as well as economically viable. That's why the money is being put. Now you might be thinking, socially viable और economically viable का क्या मतलब है? देखो, socially viable है मतलब society के लिए it's good. Economically viable है मतलब it can yield profit. क्योंकि अगर इकोनॉमिकली वायबल नहीं होगा तो क्यों ही कोई पैसा डालेगा, है ना. इसके लिए तो वी हैव दिस वायबिलिटी गैप फंडिंग विच इज डन बाय योर गवर्नमेंट. क्योंकि अगर कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट इकोनॉमिकली वायबल नहीं है, इन दैट केस गवर्नमेंट इज द वन दैट हैज टू इंटरवीन एंड इट इंटरवीन्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वायबिलिटी गैप फंडिंग. बट ओवर हियर इन द कैटेगरी 1 फंड, दिस इज द एरिया वेयर दे एक्चुअली इन्वेस्ट. नेक्स्ट थिंग, what are the multiple types of funds in this category? It's your venture capital fund, infrastructure fund, angel fund, social venture fund. So these are the funds that are there. Next is your category 2. In category 2, it's the investment which is typically done in equity or debt securities. like your private equity fund, your debt fund, your funds of fund. So these are primarily the areas which are categorized under your category 2. Next is your category 3. When I talk about category 3, in category 3, it's investment that is aimed at short-term returns. So typically, because they are focusing upon short-term returns, that is aggressive returns, jaldi se bahut sara paisa kama le, in that case, these category 3 are the riskier. अगर इन सब में से safer बोलो, then this is the safest. But then this is the riskiest. What are the type of funds that are categorized in category 3? It's your hedge fund, then your private investment public equity fund, which is in short written as PIPE. So these are some of the funds. But then one more difference which is there between both type of fund is the interest. The tax. The deduction of rupees 1.5 lakh under section 80C of IT Act is given to all these mutual fund if they are investing in the ELSS scheme. But if it's the alternate investment fund, then no tax benefit would be given. So mutual fund में भी सब में नहीं मिलता है. अगर ये ELSS में है, in that case the benefit would be given. Now, what is the full form of ELSS? It is equity linked saving schemes. So only these type of funds, when you are investing in, you'll get ATC deduction of 1.5 lakh. So that's it. That is the major difference between mutual fund as well as your alternate investment fund. But then, what is the circular all about? As per your SEBI Alternate Investment Fund Regulation 2012, it's regulation number 4. It is talking about the managers, those who are actually looking into the investments and all. So the key investment team of manager, it can be any manager, at least one of them. Out of those one, at least one, kam se kam ek, they should have a relevant certificate. Now, what is this certificate as per your SEBI? So as per your SEBI, the certificate is this, that is your alternate investment fund manager certification exam, via which they'll be getting a certificate. ये certification कौन करा रहा है? It is done by the National Institute of Securities Market. Remember the name of the institute as well. You have to get the certification from this institute. After getting the certification, then only you can have this alternate investment fund under your name, or you can run a fund. When will this regulation come into force? It has already came into force on May 10th, 2024. That is this year itself. Now you might be thinking, उन funds का क्या जो अभी तक चल रहे थे? Who have to comply? All the funds. जितने भी AIF है, all have to comply. But अगर कोई existing AIF है, तो अब एकदम रातों रात तो certificate आएगा नहीं. In that case, they are given 1 year time. Next year, May 9th, 2025 से पहले, they have to comply by these orders. They have to get a certificate. पूरी टीम में से अगर एक मैनेजर भी सर्टिफिकेट के साथ होगा, then also it's good. Next thing is, अगर कोई नया AIF लॉन्च हो रहा है May 10th के बाद, in that case they have to first get the certificate and then only they can get the AIF being registered. Now who will ensure कि ये सब कुछ हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है? Then managers को एक compliance test report, which is CTR report, ये कौन प्रिपेयर करता है? AIF के managers, they themselves prepare it. Or annually they send it to the trustees or the sponsors of these AIF. So in trustees or in sponsors को ensure करना है that they have abided by all the regulations of SEBI and this one too. CTR कब publish करते हैं? At the end of every financial year, they have to give it. How much time is given to them? So CTR shall be submitted to the trustee and the sponsor within 30 days from the end of a financial year. So that's what is the circular talking about. But then I just want to tell you one thing. If you are interested in any of the courses, if you are preparing for SEBI, RBI, NABARD, then you can enroll in Olive Board's course. You can use the code SELECT. You will get 43% off on all the courses which are going on. Apart from this, we have multiple courses out there. Like we have course for RBI, we have course where phase 1, phase 2 is there. If you only want phase 1, if you are interested in the mentorship also. So we have multiple courses out there. You can enroll in any one of them. If you are just interested in current affairs, then these are the 2 courses where you will get the current affairs. In this course, you will just get the PDF bundle, that is the monthly magazine. In this specific course, GA Foundation course, you will get a weekly classes also. With that, you will also get the other material. So that's how the courses are being framed. These are pretty affordable courses. If you want to go by them, you can. You can just see the courses are very affordable. Apart from this, you will also get 43% off using the code SELECT. Anyways, let's move on to the question. The question is, as per the regulation, the key investment team of manager of an AIF shall have at least 1 key personnel with relevant certification. This we have already seen. कहाँ से certification होना चाहिए? National Institute of Securities Market से. Eligibility criteria अब से यह रहेगा. But then अगर कोई already, if someone has already registered as AIF, in that case they will get additional time period. Your homework is to write down in the comment section kitna additional time period. Next thing is, what is the full form of CTR in the context of your AIF compliance? Full form बहुत सारी पूछी जाती हैं in RBI also and in SEBI also. So this is your homework question. If you like the session पसंद आया हो तो like जरूर कर देना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना. इसके अलावा क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना मत भूलना. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi, this is Anil. I was fortunate to be the All India Rank 1 holder in RBI exam back in 2018. Now, I'm absolutely thrilled to be part of Olive Board as a super mentor for their RBI Grade B programs. If you are aspiring to crack this exam in 2024, I will be available as a super mentor to discuss one-on-one with you, share strategy lessons, draw lessons from my preparation and set you up for success. Click the link below to check out the details. See you on Olive Board soon.